Let's talk about another huge initiative in space and spaceflight: lightweighting. Lightweighting has been a popular topic of discussion in recent years with the introduction of carbon composites, 3D printing, and advancements in electrically conductive plastics.
Whether your space vehicle is launching satellites into orbit on the wing of a Boeing 747 or using propellants to boost into low Earth orbit, it takes a tremendous amount of force to reach outside of the atmosphere. So, any reduction in weight can be critical to the launch. A lower weight satellite, for example, can mean that a greater number of satellites can be sent into orbit with each launch. Likewise, lower weight on launch vehicle components can mean lower fuel costs or higher payload capacities. It's a balancing act. Ben, can you tell us some examples of materials that could be used for lightweighting?
Yeah, absolutely. For example, electrically conductive heat shrink tubing is an alternative to metal cable braids. Foil laminates can be a great replacement for machined metal board shields or lightweight grounding straps. Electrically conductive plastics are being used to replace metal housings to provide a 65% weight savings, and conductive coatings can metalize traditional plastics to add shielding to those areas of concern.